In the soft whispers of a seashell on the sand, we first heard the voice of the natural world. From ancient horn signals to the vibrations of the earth beneath our feet, humanity has always reached out to listen. In the flickering light of history, Edison's early phonograph began to capture the fleeting magic of sound forever. Early telephone operators wore heavy copper wires, a crude bridge for the human voice. In the heat of world wars, glowing vacuum tubes in radio transmitters whispered secrets across the dark. From the rustic leather of military headsets to the rhythmic spin of vinyl records through the dust of time, each mechanical gear was a step toward the ultimate clarity of the modern ear. Wires evolved from heavy metal to vibrant insulated threads as a single drop of water creates ripples like a silent acoustic wave. Digital blueprints now map the complex curves of the human ear on our screens, while colorful spectrums dance in the dark. A blue laser sweeps over a 3D driver, signaling the start of a production cycle in a factory where light and sound become one. High-grade resin beads flow into massive molders, where mirror-finished steel creates the sleek ear cups of the future. Robotic arms pluck the warm shells from the press, as CNC machines carve every port with absolute precision. A fine mist of matte coating is sprayed to defy fingerprints, creating a premium texture that is as durable as it is beautiful. After curing under UV light, stainless steel headbands are bent to a perfect ergonomic curve. A flexible resin shield is added for strength, tested by machines that pull and stretch the frame to its limits. Lasers etch the final marks onto the body before robots assemble the flexible joints, allowing the headset to move with the grace of a living thing. Mechanical joints are checked for their smooth rotation, as brushed aluminum rings are fitted to the exterior. Every cabinet passes through an ionized air bath to remove the smallest speck of dust. As the neon lights catch the elegant curves of the finished frame, the mechanical skeleton stands ready to receive the heart and soul of the sound. Robots place tiny neodymium magnets into the heart of the driver as a microscopic voice coil is wound thousands of times. A paper-thin polymer diaphragm is seated with a single drop of specialized adhesive. This is the source of the vibration, a delicate assembly tested for its sensitivity to every nuance of the human voice and the pulse of the music. Green circuit boards travel through infrared soldering stations where high-speed DSP chips are secured. Every capacitor is placed with surgical accuracy to filter out the noise of the world. Hair-thin wires are hand-soldered to the driver by high-precision robotic arms, creating a seamless bridge between digital logic and physical sound. Frequency responses are measured on digital graphs as a waterproof nanoshield is applied to the circuit. USB ports are fitted alongside vibrant RGB lighting that pulses to the beat of an electronic rhythm. This is where the machine's intelligence meets its visual identity, preparing to light up the dark as the sound begins to breathe. ANC microphones are installed to sense and destroy the noise of the outside world, tested in the deep silence of an acoustic chamber. Steel meshes are punched with thousands of tiny holes to protect the driver. Once the assembly is nestled into the ear cup, microscopic screws lock the components into a rigid, vibration-free fortress of sound. Protein leather and cooling mesh are cupped to fit the contours of the head. Layers of memory foam are added for a soft, luxurious feel. Robotic needles sew the seams with high-strength nylon before the pads are heat-pressed into their frames. We verify the resilience of the foam, ensuring it returns to its perfect shape the moment the pressure is gone. Protective pads are added to the headband as signal wires are hidden deep within the structure. High-quality braided cables are woven by automated looms and fitted with molded resin connectors for total durability. The cable is locked into the headset with a secure snap, creating a permanent bond between the user and the infinite world of audio. Tensile tests verify the strength of the cable before physical volume dials are fitted to the body. We check the tactile response of every button, ensuring a crisp and satisfying click. After an ionized air bath cleanses the ear pads, the finished headset shimmers under the white studio lights, a masterpiece of modern comfort and industrial design. The headset is placed on a dummy head to measure sound pressure and total harmonic distortion. Robots perform 10,000 bend tests on the headband, while vibration chambers simulate the rigors of global transit. Every microphone is tested for its ability to cut through the wind, ensuring your voice remains clear in any environment. 7.1 surround sound logic is verified as X-rays look through the sealed casing for hidden flaws. We push the buttons in high humidity chambers to prove their reliability. After a final robotic wipe to remove every mark, technical certification labels are laser etched onto the body, a final seal of medical and technical trust. Recycled protective trays cradle the headset as compact manuals are added to the carton. A robotic arm seals the final box, printed with the technical soul of the product. The conveyor carries thousands of units to the warehouse, where automated systems stack them in perfect order. This is the end of production and the beginning of the experience. Digital particles dance in a virtual space, representing the future of audio. Soon, AI will tailor every note to your unique hearing, while biomaterials make our products part of the Earth's cycle. Sunlight shines through the diaphragm, a bridge of clarity that connects gamers and creators across every continent of the modern world. We look toward ultra-light designs and bone conduction technology that redefine what it means to listen. In the silence of a busy world, these tools allow us to focus, providing a sanctuary of sound. The rhythmic movement of the assembly line is an industrial dance, reflecting a digital world on the glossy surface of a finished masterpiece. Small vibrations in the diaphragm create massive emotions. From the high-reach racks of our automated factory to the minimalist spaces of the modern office, we bridge the gap between technical labor and artistic beauty. Every note that falls into the void is a testament to our pursuit of perfection in the world of sight and sound. A single LED flickers like a quiet breath, while a colorful spectrum sweeps across the lens. The factory falls into a peaceful sunset, yet the mission continues. We are listening to the world and building the future. Because every sound has a soul, and every life deserves to be heard in perfect, crystal clear clarity.